Hello, welcome to the Do It Downstream. Today we'll be taking out a custom-made camper we built from scratch, explore tons of unique waterfalls in the Adirondack Mountains, and take a visit to a giant quarry in Vermont. We're going to open up this escape hatch here. Oh, but it's cool to have. We have the entertainment center here, which we don't really use the TV at all. That's the front door. More counter space. We got the hand pump sink. Our water system there. These windows are pretty cool. They slide out sideways, so it could rain and you could just watch the rain just fall down. Pretty cool. Here we have our solar controller, which isn't plugged in yet. We have this simple battery down here, but we don't really use it. We got the Goal Zero here that we use mainly. A lot easier. Here we have the propane heater. It's not fully hooked in yet. We've been using this for heat. This thing works pretty well. It ran all night pretty much off a full propane tank. Here we have propane fridge that I haven't yet to use, which would be good storage space for now. And yeah, we got a lot of storage space. I got some gas lines in there that I haven't hooked up yet. These lights don't work currently, so we've been using these battery powered lights here. But it doesn't take much to light this space up, so we've just been using this thing. And yeah, we slept pretty comfortable last night. It got about 40 degrees, but this thing kept us warm all night. Kept it on low. All these waters are nice and cold now. And yeah, this is it. This is the trailer. This is our custom-made camper. I'm gonna exit through here now. Boom. Right now we are at some dispersed campsite in the Adirondacks. And we are going to go explore what we could find out here. And I could easily tow this thing with my SUV. We left the trailer at camp as we go explore around the area. We're on our way to go see some waterfalls. Some of the water. Oh shit.
Fucking RV?
Someone's just no, it's like someone's camp over there. Let's go get a good look at this bad boy right here. It's gorgy out here.
Pretty gorgeous.
We cooked lunch, then prepared to set out to the next campsite.
Yeah. Stop. You're good, you're good. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Going straight. Trailer's good. Trailer's good. Trailer's good. Trailer's good. You're good. Ah, you're good, bro. That was pretty good. Yeah.
We arrived to another dispersed campsite, close to New York's border.
Shit falling from the trees, but don't sound like something running.
It's actually pretty fire. We went into the camper to relax for the night and watch some movies on the iPad. It's a beautiful morning here in Vermont. It's already looking like fall out here, one of my favorite seasons. And today is our last day out and about. Right now we are on our way to go visit a giant quarry. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. We arrived to the trail. It's only a mile hike in. Just looks like a camper. If you want to know the name of the quarry, check the description below. And don't forget to give a like and subscribe. I think this is what I see in the pictures, where they drove their cars in. This place was humongous. I've never been to anything like it before. Yo. There was tons of graffiti everywhere. The natural light from the roof made the grass grow, resulting in a beautiful natural sight. Some areas of the quarry were dark. Unfortunately, we didn't bring any flashlights with us. I did some research, and astonishingly, this place was very old. It dates back to 1785 and shut down somewhere in the 1920s. Some say it's the oldest quarry in the United States. They use this place to mine for marble. Trying to go swimming?
Yeah. There's some dark swimming here.
That'd be some scary swimming. Apparently, this is actually a known swimming spot. And people drive through this.
Different.
That's it for our adventure in our custom camper. We camped in the Adirondacks, explored waterfalls, and visited one of the biggest quarries we've ever seen. Until next time. If you like this video, please give a like, a subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures.